Hi, Matt Guards here. I'm just going to be picking this mortise lock today. I've picked it a couple of times before with my other mortise locks, well, lock picks, and I've just got these through, and I thought that I would give it a go. These are actually both removable. You can get that bit for there at the bottom, or there's another bit that goes on the top. So quite good because you can vary it. Now let's see if we can actually pick this with it. Seems to be tension because we can see that bottom of it moving. Now let's see if we can find something to bind. That's one bound. Seems to be the last one and the first one that seems to be the problem. Last one's just dropped out by sound of it, could have been the second. The last one isn't bound. Last one's in. Second one's actually dropped out as well. Second one's in. Now it's this first one. Let's see how much of a fight it puts up. And they've dropped out. The hardest one to do seems to be this first one. See if we can get it though, shall we? Since you get one, they all seem to drop out. Two's finding the bind and then losing it. Well, look at that. Doesn't want to pick with them. I think I'm going to have to file it down a bit, make it smoother, and, well, doesn't like to come out the keyway. Well, we've got one bit out, but the other bit's stuck in there. Oh, here we go. There we are. Not very good at all. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll try and get it to focus for you. Just give me a second. Look, they're quite square. I'll try and maybe put a tapered angle on there at some stage and see if we can do it any better with them. But as far as I'm aware for now, wouldn't recommend buying them. Stay safe and stay legal.